you should be able to construct a carbon cycle from these pictures on the screen and the keywords consumption, photosynthesis, respiration, combustion and decay. If you have a handout that goes with this video, stop the video, construct a carbon cycle and then continue with the video to see if you have correctly constructed it. So let's begin with carbon dioxide in its inorganic form in the atmosphere. We can't take the carbon dioxide in, but there are a group of organisms that are able to do that. They can take the carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis, where they'll convert carbon dioxide with water using sunlight energy into organic molecules such as glucose. Animals can't do that, so the only way the animals are going to get access to these organic molecules containing the carbon so that they can make their own carbohydrates, proteins, DNA, fats, etc., is to eat the plants, or technically in the process of consumption. Carbon cycle can't stop there, so what many animals do, what plants do, is they poop a lot. Now that poop contains an awful lot of carbon as well, which is locked up. Now we don't walk around on a lot of poop, so something must happen to it. What happens to it is the same thing that's going to happen to all the dead bodies, throughout when animals die, and when plants die, or any living organism dies, and also all the poop that have been excreted out, decay takes place. And decay is carried out by microorganisms. Microorganisms play a huge, important role in this carbon cycle. So we've still got one-way traffic at the moment, from carbon dioxide in the air into plants, into animals, into the poop, into the dead bodies, into the microorganisms. Now, all living microorganisms respire. All living microorganisms respire. That means plants respire. When they respire, if you remember the chemical reaction, carbon dioxide is given off. So plants are now going to return carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. All living things respire, and that means the animals also respire. Again, carbon dioxide is given off back into the atmosphere. And once again, don't forget the microbes. They are respiring as well and producing carbon dioxide. That returns back into the atmosphere. Now, not all living not all dead organisms are going to decay. Some are going to fossilize. And some become fossil fuels. Now these fossil fuels have got carbon locked up in them. Coal, for example, oil, all once living organisms that have fossilized. What humans do here, very useful, even though it gets a bit of bad press in terms of climate change, is that we combust these fossil fuels. One of the waste products from fossil fuel is carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. So this brings a carbon cycle full turn.